about downtown Los Angeles on 5th Street. All the winos affectionately refer to it as the Nickle. So this is kind of a hobo's lullaby. Since sticks and stones can break my bones, it always will be true. When your mom was dead and gone, I sing this lullaby just for you. But what becomes of little boys never comb their hair? They're lined up all around the block. They're on the nickel over there. And if you chew tobacco, wish you bought a store, find out where the scarecrows sit. Man, they just look like punchlines between the cars. And I know a place where a royal flush can never beat a pair. And even Thomas Jefferson is on the nickel. He's over there. So ring around the rosy, we're sleeping in the rain. You're always late for supper, and you let me down again. And I thought I heard a mockingbird. Rose and fell knows where. The whistling past the graveyard, and they're on the nickel. So what becomes of little boys who run away from home? The world keeps getting bigger once you get